Alright, we got a small saucepan here, and we're going to add a half cup of granulated sugar and melt it on low heat. Similar to our last peanut brittle video, make sure to watch this whole video so that you know which ingredients you need to have right away, because if you don't have those ingredients and you're running around the kitchen, the mixture may burn. Alright, the sugar's melted, it's a perfect color. Now we're going to add in a third cup of roasted unsalted peanuts. Alright, now that we've mixed the butter completely, we're going to add a teaspoon of baking soda. Alright, now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, unsalted. Alright, so we're going to let our peanut brittle sit and harden for 15 minutes. That's it for us, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe if you want to learn how to make other simplified recipes like this. And if you do subscribe, tell us in the comments down below and we'll respond to you in appreciation. But anyways, click over here for our last video. Click down there for our simplified recipes series. And the subscribe button's here if you want to subscribe. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye.